Good morning. It's Tuesday and it's raining out. Got some bad weather coming in today, I guess. So they're saying. So how is everybody? Good? I'm good. Just up and about, taking the dogs out. Gotta get some work done today. I did my meditation and gratitude and affirmation work this morning. So that's always a really good way to start the day. Took a shower, just made a protein shake, and trying to think of how the rest of the day is going to look, because I'm not sure with the way I was going to take the dogs to the park and go for a walk. I didn't know it was going to rain so soon. It's not even noon. It's only 11. But who knows? We shall check the Weather Channel and see what's happening when I get inside. All right, guys, let's go. They're so pokey. They just poke around, sniff. Look at them. What are you doing? Can we please go inside because it's raining? No? Okay. Hi again. We just got back. I took the dogs out and we went to the dog food store, the post office, gas station, coffee, bank, and I stopped at the dog park because when I was out it wasn't raining, but it was just starting to kind of fizzle a little bit, drizzle. And then there was no dogs there, so I just let them out anyway and they ran around, and then all of a sudden the skies opened up and I'm like, we're out of here! We know why nobody else is here. They're smarter than us. I did some stuff for Thomas. Just went through and checked FAFSAs and financial aid stuff for the next coming year. Made sure everything is good. Gotta look up a couple scholarships to make sure he's still eligible, and he's gonna help me with that. And we're working with Daniel on his Dynavox. Everything's good, I guess. Yes. It's just really gloomy and rainy, but productive. It's my turn to cook. So I am making Home Chef. It is called Marsala Mushroom Smothered Pork Chop with green beans. And it came like, well, I got with the kit one of these little loaves of bread they have, but it's 3 cheese bread, like Asiago 3 cheese. So I guess Thomas and I can have that. I'm gonna make rice, I think, on the side for John, and I'm gonna get started. I've got all the ingredients laid out. I've got mushrooms. What is that? Rosemary? Yep. Some cooking wine, demi-glazed butter, green beans, and pork chops. The meat comes like this, already packaged. It's very nice. Very nice. Okay, I gotta get busy. Gotta get to work. Hi. What are you doing? Why you got your knuckles clenched? Look at this. Okay. You happy? You're having a good night. You had a good day? You're having a good night? Happy happies? Getting ready for bed? Yes. Yes. I gotta take the dogs out. You okay? Tired. Come on.